Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be a fishing video, trout fishing to be specific. The bait I'm using is called trout magnets. I've never used them before until this past week, and today I had a little bit of luck. So the first shots you'll see is going to be a couple days ago fishing. I really didn't catch anything that day, and then this second time I went, I did have a little bit of luck. Now I messed up today. I started fishing and I left my camera in the truck. And I really didn't have high expectations until I started catching them, and then 3 trout in, I was like, oh crap, better go get the camera. So unfortunately I only had time to catch one more with the camera rolling, but this will be a pretty short video just to show a good time fishing, basically. Enjoy! I only had time to get 4. I actually had 3 that slipped the hook before I got them. My kids have made me feel bad the past couple days because they wanted me to catch some trout for dinner, and until now I haven't had any luck. These are going to be worked up in a little bit, and then I'm going to be cooking them up for my family. My kids are going to love it. But now I got to go home, get ready for work. Yay!